What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear windshield on this Textron Wildcat XX. So let's get right to it. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove both seats from the machine. On the driver's side, we'll just reach back here, grab a hold of the lever, pick straight up, then remove our seat. And then on the passenger side, we're going to remove the two bolts on the front of the seat frame, holding it to the machine. There'll be one on each side. Then we'll just go ahead and remove our passenger side seat. After you have your seats removed, make sure that you remove the torque-setted hardware from this hole, as well as this hole. And then, if you have a roof installed, you want to go ahead and remove your roof hardware. We went ahead and loosened it just for demonstration purposes. So we'll just go ahead and remove our hardware here. We don't have to completely remove the roof, just the most rear portion of it. That way we can get our clamps on for our rear windshield. So now that we have our machine ready for our windshield to be installed, we're gonna head over to the bench and get our bulb seal installed to our windshield. So we have went ahead and peeled both sides of protective film off of our windshield here. We've already checked to make sure that it fits. We highly recommend that you do so before doing this. So now that we have it laid out, as you can see, we have the bent portion or the curved portion of the windshield facing down towards our table here. So we need to make sure that our bulb seal is facing up, so away from that curvature. And we're gonna apply bulb seal starting here on this edge, all the way around. And ending on this edge right here. All right, so once you have your bulb seal applied all the way across your windshield, you want to go ahead and cut off your excess. We already had a pre-cut piece of bulb seal, so now we're ready to get our windshield installed onto our machine. And we're just going to slide it into position. Now, just like anything else, if you have somebody here to help you, it does make it a little bit easier, but you can do this by yourself. All right, so you may have a little bit of struggle here getting it around the top of the seat belt, but it definitely will go. You just gotta kind of work it and then kind of work the actual plastic portion of the belt here. And once you get it past that, it'll kind of sit in position for you. We're just gonna go over here to the opposite side and make sure it's good. Behind there, looks good. And we need to make sure that these lower holes down here on the back of the plastic line up. Once we have our windshield in place, what we're gonna do is get the hardware out of the bag. It'll be this bolt as well as this sealing washer. So we'll just wanna make sure that the seal portion of the washer is facing towards our windshield. Get it lined up. Make sure we get it good and started. We don't wanna fully tighten anything just yet, so we'll just go ahead and get it hand started, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our upper clamps. We'll go ahead and get those strapped down. Been a little trick for you guys, just something easy, or easier I should say. Take your clamp loose and kind of pull your strap through, like this. Fold it over and then shove your clamp as well as your piece of strap through the windshield. It makes it a lot easier. I'm gonna kind of pull some tension on that, make sure we're sealing up good everywhere. It looks good to me. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten this one down. That's tight, it's looking good. We're gonna move over here to the opposite side. Do the same exact thing. Go ahead and fully tighten down this side as well. And we'll take our heavy duty Velcro straps, slide them through just like this. Zip it through itself, pull it tight, then wrap it back around. Repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Then we can go ahead and get our 10mm fully tighten our hardware. And we can go ahead and reinstall our hardware for our roof. We'll do this for both sides. Then we can go ahead and reinstall the seats. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear windshield on this Textron Wildcat XX. For more information on this rear windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.